Hello, this is just a short introduction to the online coursework. So you access the online coursework via the DLE, go down to this page. So just general introduction. There'll be 8 quizzes. Each quiz has 4 questions, and we'll post a quiz depending on progress of the lectures roughly once a week. The way we run the quizzes in physics is different to mathematics. Here we take all your answers, we don't drop any. There's a single deadline for the quizzes, and that's Thursday 13th of January, 6 o'clock. Although the deadline is a long way away, we recommend that you try and keep up with the quizzes, just as a good way of consolidating your understanding of the material, and you get a check of how well you're doing. And overall, all the online coursework, these quizzes are worth 30% of your mark. So you'll find it on the DLE by this online coursework. First, we have a mock quiz. Okay, so at the moment it's hidden from the students because I'm just setting it up. But here we have a kind of mock quiz. This doesn't count. First one will be quiz 1. So when we click on the link, we go down into the system, and we're using a system called Mobius. So say you get 10 attempts, and we do that just so you get a chance to get the correct answer, but we don't want to give you infinite attempts, just so you don't think you can wait until it's the right time to do things. Okay, so here's the sign. The actual login is via your DLE credentials. So I've already started, so I click resume. So you shouldn't see any assignment details. You'll see a slightly different page when you log in, because I think you have to set accept terms and conditions. One of the things you can do is print a PDF version of the question, which you can work in your own time before you actually do the online, or you can work directly online. Okay. So you get information as marks as you go along. So question 1 is 12 meters times 30 meters. I'm just putting in a random number, and here use meters squared for the units. There's some information about if you look down here, there's some information about the format. So there's some information about units there, and occasionally you'll also see information about, like I click on this box, the number help, and so you can see there's different formats. You can either write numbers directly, or you can use scientific notation. So 2.37 e minus 3 is the same as 2.37 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay, and there's some information there. So that's a bit of documentation. So you work through the quiz, click on next, and you can see I've actually done this one before, and it's recorded that I've got it right. And here the question is 12.444 to do significant figures, because it's 12.4. When you round that up to two significant figures, you get 12. Then at the end you can either quit and save and then submit the assignment. And once you submit, okay, so you get immediate feedback, and when you go back, you'll get to see the one which you'll have a little tick